Hello everyone, today we'll design a simple object using Onshape. The objective of this video is to um, give you an overview on how to use Onshape. Simple to show you the simple workflow in Onshape. So first of all, here is Onshape filter. I can actually execute a query here that will give me that will display some things based on what I choose. For example, documents owned by me are the ones displaying right now, as you can see it here. Then recently opened documents. If I click here, I can easily go to all the recently opened documents. And then documents created by me or shared with me, etc. Now let me go back to documents owned by me. Now here the list of folders in my account. Right now I have only 4 folders, and then I have down here is you can see my documents, documents that I've worked on or I've even viewed. Some of them you see them here, and to actually create a document to actually draw or design in Onshape, you need to create a new document. A document can be a drawing file, it can be almost anything, picture, PDF, etc. So if I want to create a new object, I need to go to Create tab. I click there, then I'll look for document. You can see document here. I can actually create a new folder here. I can import files, but let me just create a new document. It will prompt me for a dialog box, will prompt me for the title of the document. So right now, let me give it, let's say, exercise 3. All right, and let's create the new document. So Onshape is actually loading the document there, workspace. So right now this is my document view. You can see the planes, the front, top, and right plane. You can see the features tab, and here we have the features list. Down here you have the parts. As we draw, you'll understand what these things mean. But right here, this is what we call rollback bar. This is actually where anything you draw will be inserted here sequentially. So it's important to understand that the first thing you can draw is a sketch. After sketch, you can create a feature. There is a combination of features, or just a single feature will give you a part. So let's assuming we want to draw a box. Let's say a hollow box. All right. Now, for me to start the drawing, I need to choose the plane I want to draw at. I want to draw on. Right now, let me use the top plane. So I'll start sketch, new sketch, and then I'll select top plane. I can either select top plane from here, or I can select it from the features list. So let me select it from here. You can see I'm now in the sketch mode. Right now, I want to draw a box. So for me to draw a box, I need a rectangle, right? So let me just come here If I click on this flyout, I can see corner rectangle, center point rectangle, and aligned rectangle. So let me use corner point, center point rectangle. Okay. Now I need to snap right to the center, to the origin. Click and then move out. This should be fine. Then click again to terminate my command. Now if you look at my drawing, is the color is blue. I need to constrain it. If I constrain it fully, it will become black. Okay, so let me use dimension. Select the line and then place the dimension. My dimension, let me this side should be 80, right? And here should be let's say 82. Let's create a cuboid, right? Now I'm done with my sketch. So all I need to do is to click the check button to terminate the sketch mode. Right now you can see my sketch. Now for me to create a box, I need to extrude this sketch. Alright, for me to do that, I'll need to go to the features toolbar. Right, this is extrude. I'll click on it. Then I'll come here and select. It's asking me face or sketch regions to extrude. So I'll select this. By default, it will give me blind type of extrusion. We have different types. We have up to nest, face, part. As we do them, we understand. Right now, what I'll be using is blind. Blind gives me, I'll need to specify the depth. That's all. It will go as far as the depth. So right now it's 25. So let me make it 80 to make sure I'm creating a cuboid. I'll press enter. You can see the preview of my cuboid right now, and it's new. It's a new object. I can add a new an object to an existing object. I can remove, but as we draw, you'll understand all this. So just ignore every other option here, and then say OK by clicking the check mark. You can see I have my box. Right now, I don't really need to see these planes. So I can either press P to remove all three of them at once. I can come here and turn them invisible by clicking on those icons. Right? This is my box. Now I need to shell. Now, let me somehow create, using this cube, to create something that looks like a cushion. So if I start shell command, it will ask me to remove faces. Faces to remove. I can altogether directly create a hollow object, but that's not what I want. The shell thickness by default is 2.5 mm. So the faces I'll remove, let me remove here and here, right? So you can see the faces are removed, but the thickness, let me make it 10, right? No, let's make it 20. Do you now understand? So I can now click, say OK, and you can see I have my object. Now look here at this, the features list. The first thing I created was this sketch, which is this. If I double click it, I can go into edit mode. You can see the sketch here. So let me just cancel. The second thing I created was there, extrude. That's the second feature. And the third is shell. right? So everything you do here is listed here sequentially in the features list. Now if you look at the parts, you can see we have only one part as of now, and it's labeled part 1. I can actually change the name by right clicking on it, say rename. I can call it maybe anything cushion or any other name depending on what I want to call it. And I can also rename these parts. You can see everything here is under feature. I hope you understand. So thanks for watching.